Hello, my name is Madhu and I work in the Mississauga library system. Today we learn how to make a CD Saturn. You can make a lovely model of Saturn and her rings, or you can hang a model Saturn from the ceiling and watch it turn, or your Saturn will make a beautiful holiday decoration. So for each Saturn model, you will need one unwanted compact disc or CD or digital video disc, a styrofoam ball, a glue gun, paints, glitter glue, paintbrush, one paper clip, one toothpick and a thread. Let's first start with the Saturn ring. The CD will become Saturn's ring. Usually one side of the CD has printing on it. This is the side you will decorate with glitter, and try not to apply glitter in the center part of the CD, for you will be pasting your styrofoam ball here. And this is the CD which I have painted. I painted some orange color here and then applied some glue stick and then leave it to dry. Now let's decorate the planet. So first carefully cut the styrofoam ball in half, and you will need adult supervision for this, and then apply some yellow color on it like I did, or you can choose any color you would like, and then apply some glitter glue and leave it to dry. Now let's put all together. Take the toothpick out of one of the styrofoam halves. Just insert in the center of one of the half, a little bit, and then place it on your CD. Now before doing that, you would have to apply some glue gun here. Now place it right in the center, turn it, and again insert your toothpick on the other half right in the center. Apply some glue gun carefully. Press it till both the halves are joined together. Now let's do the hanging part. Here is your small paper clip. Unfold it so that it becomes like this. Just straighten up a little bit. Now you would have to stick this paper clip into your planet. Since Saturn's axis is tilted 27 degrees, stick the paperclip into the top about a ½ inch away from the center, which is like this. Here. Your last step is to tie this thread to the paperclip and hang your model wherever you would like. Okay, so let's make a knot. Here, and your Saturn model is complete. So when you hang your Saturn up and it turns in the breeze, you will see the rings from different angles, just as we see the real Saturn at different angles from the Earth. You can further enhance your learning while doing this project. For instance, through this project I learned that the rings are as little as 100 meters. They range from particles too tiny to see to particles the size of a bus. Isn't that amazing? Scientists think that they are icy snowballs or ice-covered rocks. There are actually many rings, maybe 500 to 1000. Thank you for watching. Make sure to log into our website for details on what's coming and our 24/7 digital services, ebooks, audiobooks and more.